something that you.
Hello friends, welcome back to another video, and today we're making pacifiers for your dolls. So I'm sketching my design out on cardboard, and you don't have to sketch the full thing, you just sketch half of it and then fold it up, and then you can cut it out. So the piece that we just sketched, we're going to glue it to another piece of cardboard. After the glue dries, then you can cut it out. I am using a hole puncher to make these teeny tiny circles. I'm going to glue all three together. Now if you have tweezers, it's going to be much easier, but if you're using your hands like me, this is going to be tough, so take your time with it. After they've been dry, you can start gluing it to the back of the pacifier. So before we start adding the paint, I'm going to go over it with some glossy Mod Podge. Okay, so now it's dry and I can start painting it. So I'm holding it in place. I have it on a wooden dowel, and I just put some sticky tack to the back just so I can keep it in place, because it's kind of hard to hold if you're trying to paint it and hold it with your hands. It's going to be very tough to do. So for some extra details, I'm cutting a piece of foam and gonna glue it to the side. And there you have a little handle. So to make it stick to the mouth, I am using some fun tack I got from Walmart. I'm just gonna take me a small piece, roll it up a bit, stick it to the pacifier. Now we can add it to the mouth. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, what do you think of this craft? And I hope these videos are helpful for you, because I love doing these. Thank you guys so much for choosing my content, and I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo! Whoop!